In today's video, we're going to talk you through how to turn on your irrigation system from your garage or side control panel of your house and how to program it. So this is something you're going to want to do after you turn your irrigation system back on after winter, once it's gone through its winterization process. Other video previously that talks about how to actually turn on the water system from your control valve by your street. So we'll leave a link to that one in the description below. As always, please help us support and grow by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Now we're going to take you through how to use this. So this is your main control panel. So this is your off, this is your run. You have a manual zone and manual test. This is how you set your current time and date, program start times, zone times, days to water. So if we go over to program start time, so we can see that we have a program 1A at 6:30 a.m. And then if we go into B, it's at 10 p.m. And you could go into different A, B, C, Ds. If you go into zone run times, you can see that we have one at 20 minutes, that's zone 1. We have zone 1 at 30 minutes, so that's B. So that would correspond to your A and B. So if you look at your B here at 10 p.m., your runtime on B here would be 30 minutes. So at 10 p.m., it'll run for 30 minutes on zone 1. If I go into A, it's 20 minutes. Go back to start times. A is at 6:30 a.m. So at 6:30 a.m., it'll run for 20 minutes. You could then go into days to water. So you're going to select days. You could see A, B, C, D are all days. And you can hit next. You could go through each day and tell it if you want to run that zone for that time on those days or not. So you can skip days, or you can have it run on all days, depending on how you want to structure it. That'd be for A. You could do the same for B. So let's say there's certain days of the week you want to run both A and B at 6:30 a.m. and 10 p.m. Or if you want to have it go on Tuesdays for A and Thursdays for B, you can do that depending on how you want to structure it. So these are all the options you can kind of do. So once you're done programming your days, you're going to go over and you can hit run, or you could do a manual test in case there are any breaks in your line on your irrigation system. And then once you're done, you just go over to run, and then you're all done.